National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 635, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Union, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Nassau, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York; New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay, New York; Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.